boxes, okay? Good
Yeah. Slowly. Nice.
Oh.
What is this? Is this maybe the keyboard?
Yes, open it up. Oh.
Oops. Let's try not to throw. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead, open it. The keyboard. What is that? Is this a mouse? Oh, a mouse.
No.
A magic mouse. And the keyboard is so small.
Yes, I know.
Very, very small keyboard. How small is that keyboard?
For me?
No, I'm going to use that one.
I want this one in the
Yes.
box of this.
I told you, you can have everything in this box.
We're gonna like it.
Ooh.
Ooh, big one.
Yes, it's a big computer. Let's open it. Oh, it opens like this. Wait, it opens like this.
So that must be my...
Everything. Okay, here is the computer. How are we going to do this? What is that? I don't know. For cleaning the screen, maybe. I cannot take this computer out. How do you take? You pull it on the sides. Hold on. We're going to have to pull this. See, on the side. Open here. So this is the computer, and it's pivoting. So we have to pull. We have to pull this on the side. Let's slowly, Edie.
Right.
Be careful. That's right. Very good. That one too. Go ahead. Yeah, there we go.
Here's the charger.
Nice. It's got a plastic.
Now,
Okay. Nice neck to that 22-inch screen. Looks small compared to this thing. How do you open this? Oh, probably something. The computer is up. Next, we have to put this. 32. Hey, why doesn't it focus? That one. Bye.